If you're a science enthusiast, then you need to know about tungsten. This metal is an absolute game changer. Tungsten, with the symbol and atomic number, is a metal of superlatives. It boasts the highest melting point of any element at a scorching 3,422 degrees Celsius or 6,192 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine that heat, but that's not all. Tungsten is incredibly dense, almost as heavy as gold, and it's tough, really tough. It's got excellent tensile strength, especially at high temperatures, and it laughs in the face of corrosion and oxidation. So what do we use this wonder metal for? Light bulb filaments, electronics, and high-strength alloys for tools and military applications. Tungsten carbide, a compound of tungsten and carbon, is a superstar in cutting tools and armor-piercing ammunition. In aerospace and defense, it's used for missile parts and radiation shielding. And let's not forget its role in high-temperature furnaces and rocket engine nozzles. Even your jewelry could be made of tungsten. Tungsten, it's not just a metal, it's a marvel of modern science.